Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can transfer Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency from your Robinhood account to your Binance. So first of all, you want to go ahead to your Robinhood account and you want to go ahead on the search option and search for Bitcoin, or just click on it if you see it. Once you have found Bitcoin, you want to go ahead and scroll down until you see the option send. As you can see, it's not available for me right now, but it should be available for you. So you want to go ahead and click on send option, and there you will need to go ahead and enter the address of your other wallet, which is Binance. So you want to go ahead to Binance and find that deposit address. So you want to go ahead and click on wallets. Now you want to click deposit and choose Bitcoin. After you chose Bitcoin, you want to choose the same network which was on your Robinhood account, which one they are using. So it would be the same as by here on Binance. Now you choose, for example, Ethereum. Now you will see here your address, which you want to go ahead and copy, paste to your Robinhood. So you will enter it here where it says send. So if this video was helpful, guys, make sure to subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.